This flattening machine is specially used to flat the expanded metal mesh. It is equipped with two 350 mm rollers. The width can be 1 meter or 1.5 meters. The rollers are solid core type, can flat the expanded metal mesh completely. The roller pressure can also be adjusted for different thickness. The motor is 7.5 kilowatts with inverter control, speed is adjustable. And the reducer connects with the flattening roller directly, which can make machine working stably. Welcome your inquiry.